Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to handle project closures and handovers using Zoho Project, your full guide for 2025. Now let's start with the first step, which is closing your project. Once your team has completed all tasks and you're satisfied with the results, go to the project's dashboard. Here, select the project and then click on Close Project. This step is crucial because it signifies the completion of your project and lets your team know they can move on to the next task. Now that we've done that, let's move to the second step, conducting a post-mortem review. This is where you assess what went well and what didn't in the project. To do this in Zoho, select Report from the top menu, then Post-mortem. This helps us because it provides valuable insights for future projects and helps us improve our processes. Next up, we have the third step, archiving the project. This is done by going to the project settings and selecting Archive. The reason we do this is to keep our dashboard clutter-free while preserving our project data for future reference. Now, let's go to the fourth step, which is handing over the project. You'll need to create a handover report. Click on Report, then select Handover. Here you can include all the project details, files, and notes. Let me explain why this matters. It ensures the smooth transition of responsibilities and that all relevant information is passed on to the next team or the client. Finally, once your report is complete, you can share it with the team or the client by clicking on Share and entering their email addresses. This is important because it officially hands over the project and signifies the project's conclusion. And there you have it. That's how you handle project closures and handovers using Zoho Project. Remember, each of these steps ensures the smooth transition from one project to the next and helps you keep track of your project data. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.